160 piece self-drilling, well actually no drilling, drywall anchor kit. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. The kit comes with all 160 pieces sorted into plastic bags inside of this nice little storage box. If you are like me, you're just going to take them out of the bags and dump them into the case. That's what I do. There are 3 different size screws and 2 different size anchors, so it's easy to just eyeball the sizes when you're ready to use them. Inside the kit, you're going to get 80 pieces with 1.18 inch anchors and 1.18 inch screws. You're going to get 40 pieces with 1.18 inch anchors and 1.38 inch screws. Both of these are something I would probably use for 1/2 inch drywall. And you're going to get 40 pieces with anchors and screws that are a little over 1.5 inches long, which would probably be great for 3/4 inch drywall. All of these are manganese steel construction. Let me show you how these work, and then I'll demo them going into drywall. You put the screw in, and you can see when you put the screw in, it butterflies out so that you can't pull it out of the wall again once it's in there. With the way these are shaped and the serrated edges on them, they are designed to go right into the wall without any drilling at all. And it's easy to install, and it takes no time at all. You can use a hammer to tap them in, or the end of a screwdriver, like so. Look at that, flat up against the wall. I like that. And once you put it in, you just put your screw in like this. You can either use a screwdriver or a drill. You just screw them in. As we saw earlier, the inside part flanges out. Now it's in there good. Yeah, totally in there good. If you put an anchor in the wall and you find that you need to use a longer screw for whatever reason, maybe to reach the hanger on the back of a picture frame or something like that, it's easy to remove the original screw and substitute it with a longer screw. Easy as that. And then there you go, not going anywhere. Now I've only used these for drywall, but they say it also works with gypsum and hollow lightweight bricks, and that it holds up to 100 pounds, though I have no way to test that at the moment. There you go, a nice compact drywall anchor kit for those around the house jobs. Now I have an alternative to the plastic wall anchors that I usually use. I'll be using this obviously for pictures, fixtures, guitar hangers, and whatever else comes up. As you can see, super thin, easy to store away, easy to throw into your toolkit, and at 160 pieces, this is going to last me quite a while. Very nice.